Hello, friends. This is Johnson from Shilian Zhixin. We're in Shandong Province, Jinan City. Our factory is major dealing with the car cooling system auto parts. For example, the radiator, condenser, intercooler, electrical fan, and all the auto parts. This is our storage warehouse. Let me show you around. We offer full range of the car models product. You can see this is our warehouse. This is our brand, InMall. And this is our brand, Forge Tong. The box is reliable, can protect our goods, keep safe in delivery. The upstairs is our condenser warehouse. Let me show you around.